What's going on, guys? Antonio X Carter here. Making $1,000 in a month in 30 days, whatever I name the challenge. I think I'm going to switch the gears here in a little bit. Okay? Reason being is I've been noticing I've been going through my analytics and my data, and also just for the purposes of creating the video, I think I'm going to change products. This is live. I'm going through these thoughts and stuff. It's kind of like documentation, and this is what really happens. Okay, if you remember in the last video, I got the $219 commission from BioFit, and it was awesome. It was good. I also did the 5-day free challenge, and I went through the smoothie diet, which is a product that is on Clickbank. The commission is okay, it's 75%, brings about 25, brings $19, I think it's something like that. And then an upsell brings you like another 20 bucks. But nonetheless, I was looking at the product and I was just thinking about the product in the long run. You can, again, this is $1,000 per month, okay? You have to decide a couple of things. When promoting a product like BioFit, you have to probably spend at least $100 in order to get a sell. I'm just being honest with you guys. You're going to pay between $100 to $150, maybe even $180 so that you could break even. Sometimes even more. You may lose money on some days. On the flip side, you will make that money back, but you have to continue to keep promoting. If you don't have the money to do this, this is where a lot of people get stuck. If you don't have the money to do this, it gets tough because you realize I need to continue to spend money. My check doesn't come in until 30 days later. So how do I continue to promote when I don't have any more money? Even though I'm getting sales and I know that I'm going to get more sales, I am now stuck because I've run out of ad spend. Versus promoting a smaller product, which again, I reemphasize, we're talking about hitting $1,000 in 30 days. You can get more results. Your sales will be smaller for a product such as Smoothie Diet. You'll still get awesome results. It's awesome to get commission checks. It just takes a little bit more work to hit that $1,000 per month. And originally doing this challenge, I didn't really think about it, but I think what I want to show you guys is not necessarily the $1,000 per month, which I could easily scale BioFit to do so. But if I'm spending $1,000 in a week, you may not be encouraged to do so because it's not realistic. Because a lot of you can't do that. A lot of you can't afford to do that. I know if I spend $1,000 in a week, I will get insane results. What you guys can do is spend $5 to $10 a day, maybe $20 a day for a little while to see what type of results you get. And the more results that I get, the more you will feel that you can actually complete what I'm showing you as well. And so that's the route I'm going to take, whether I hit $1,000 or not, because with the 5-day free challenge, I got a sale very quickly. I just threw together some keywords I didn't even research like that. Just copied and paste. I showed you my process and I got the sale, and I did it during the 5-day free challenge. If you guys have not watched that, go back and watch it. You can see it in a video that I created. It'll show up here in a little bit. So I got the smoothie diet here at the bottom. I'm not going to remake the smoothie diet, but what I am going to do is show you guys. I have the smoothie diet divided into two parts, okay? The Bing platform and the Partners platform. I have it at $5 a day for both of them. The sale occurred on the Partners part, I believe. But I've been using Clickmagic. I just created a video on how to use Digistore instead of Clickmagic. I call it a smoothie diet, right? So Clickmagic, if you guys haven't gotten it already, 14-day free trial. I use this to track my clicks and my sales go ahead and get it right now. They've been increasing their prices very slowly, and rightfully so, because this software is amazing. But you get one of these cells, you've already paid your month in full, probably even 2 months in full. Okay, with the amount that I made here, you should be able to pay for 2 months just like that. All right, so weight loss, if I click download CSV, I'm just going to look at the keyword that produced the cell, and also not just the keyword, but okay, it was on the partners. Okay, so hopefully you guys see what I just did. I wasn't too sure if the sale occurred on the partners platform or the Bing owned by Bing Ads platform. So here it is, it's the Bing Ads or partners platform. We're going to minimize that. So what I'm also going to do is I'll do it later on, not in this video, but probably the next video, because I do this in like 10-15 minute increments. I'll create another campaign, and inside of that campaign I will create for like buyer words. But in the meantime, I need to get some more traffic. Actually, let's go back here and let's study some of this traffic. Let's see what's working. Weight loss. And we're looking at sub ID 2, I believe. Or sub ID 3. Quarter string. Alright, sub ID 2. This is what they're typing. Surgical weight loss. That's interesting. Lose 20 pounds in 3 weeks. Smoothie diet. They clicked it. Health benefits of walking. So typically, what exercises for belly fat? Old-fashioned recipes. Old-fashioned recipes. Why smoothie diet come up? 5 foods to reduce weight. I like that. It's real fat. How to be slim without exercise. So already I'm noticing a trend. What I'm noticing is that a lot of people who want to lose weight with the smoothie diet, and I believe I predicted this before, they are wanting to lose weight without exercise. You have not seen anybody saying lift weights, lose weight, or something like that. How to get buff and lose weight. Lose 20 pounds in 2 weeks. Exercise bike weight loss. That one's about exercise. Meal plan delivery, food articles. And see, some of these weird ones like food articles, that probably came up from the broad match. That has nothing to do with the phrases or the keywords that we typed in ourselves. But that's why it's important as well, because I don't know, for example, I was doing something in a dating niche, and the keywords I was using was how to make a man want you or something like that. Somebody had typed in how to cast a spell on a man, and that produced a sale. I wouldn't have known that if that was not on the broad match. Okay, and that's why you need a little bit of money to continue to promote. So we have some interesting things here. Okay, so let's go ahead and let this bad boy keep running. All right, it's at $5 a day. It's $10 a day total. I think that's pretty decent, but I'm just gonna let it run. I'm probably going to crank it up later. I'm just letting you guys know, because I want let's go ahead and do it right now. I want $10 a day for both of them at the moment. It's almost Christmas. People are going to be trying to lose weight. After Christmas, I just think right now is the perfect time to produce some sales. How about you? Alright. So we put both of those at $10 a day. We will see what happens. If you want to see what happens if we get any sales, you're just going to have to check the next video. So don't forget, if you want to hit $3,500 per week doing some of these similar methods, maybe a little bit more advanced, you're going to be doing some more steps that will produce higher profits and faster. Right now I'm teaching you how to direct link. If these methods interest you, I would highly recommend you check out the advanced course that is down below. Helps you hit $3,500 per week using Bing ads. You'll also use these same techniques for Microsoft ads as well. Once you learn this skill, you'll never be able to, or it's a learned skill for life. You can show other people how to do it. You can charge other people when you want to do it, and so forth. Okay, it's more than just making money with these techniques and methods. Also, check out my free Bing ads course down below. I hope you make your first commission. That's kind of my guarantee and my promise if you learn, or if you really go through my free Bing ads course. And I also have a wait list. I have a wait list for the next free Bing ads challenge, where you can walk with me, where I show you exactly everything that I do here. You'll be able to live chat with me and all that stuff, and interact with me, ask questions. You can do all that stuff with me. That's going to be in February. Right now, if everything stays the same, I have a wait list going on. That is also below. So check out everything. Hit the subscribe button if you like what I'm doing, and we'll see you guys in the next video.